Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use keyframes in CapCut Mobile. So let's dive in. Now, keyframes are one of the most powerful tools inside CapCut because they let you control movement over time. Now to get started, you want to open your project in CapCut Mobile and select the clip you want to animate. So let's say, for example, this one is mine. And by the way, this can be a video, a photo, a text, or even a sticker. Now, what you want to do is you want to move the playhead to the point in your timeline where you want the animation to begin. For example, right over here. Then, once you have chosen where the timeline to begin, you want to tap on the clip and look just above the timeline for the small diamond-shaped icon. That is your keyframe button. Tap it once to add your first keyframe, and this marks the starting position of your animation. Next, move the playhead forward to where you want the animation to end. So once you're there, you can adjust the clip however you want. You can zoom in or zoom out, move it to a different position, rotate it, or resize it. And as soon as you make a change, CapCut automatically creates a second keyframe. As you can see right over there, that's the second diamond icon. So if I play this, let me show you. When you play it back, you'll see the clip smoothly animate from the first keyframe to the second one. So basically, that's how you create motion. You can add more keyframes along the timeline to create more advanced movements like panning across an image, doing smooth zoom effects, or building custom animations. And basically, that's it. That's how you use keyframes in CapCut Mobile to add smooth professional motion to your edits. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!